Hi guys, my name is Juliet Rapaport. I am a third year and this is my first year in the College of Public Health and Health Professions. I'm in the health science program on the pre-OT track. This summer I really didn't do too much. I did some summer classes and I was back home in Sarasota, Florida when I was doing them. I was living with my parents, and to avoid getting them sick and avoid getting myself sick, I really laid low, limited my social interactions, and kind of just stayed home for quite a while. So being back in Gainesville is good. You know, I see some of my friends now, but it's still socially distant, still masks and everything. So this summer was a little bit more restrictive than it is now. Like I said before, I am in the health science program on the pre-OT track. I haven't had any research experience yet, but I hope that my last 2 years of undergrad I will have a lot more research. I am really open to working with professors, staff, faculty, and jumping on any type of opportunity that I think will fit me, because I think it's a great opportunity and it can really broaden my horizons and what I might want to do. Currently, I want to be a pediatric occupational therapist who has experience in both private practices and private clinics, as well as in hospitals, preferably Children's Hospital, because like I said, I want to be a pediatric occupational therapist. I really love working with kids. I love kids. I think they're really funny, and I think they're really vibrant and exciting, and they're fun to be around. And that's why I really want to be working with kids. Another thought that's kind of out in idea land is opening up a family private practice with my sister. My sister's actually an occupational therapist who is a double Gator from UF, go Gators, and she's the one that got me into this profession and this career path. And you know, I looked up what it was, did my own research, and I really found out that I loved it. And thanks to her, you know, now I'm pursuing this career, and I'm really excited for where it might take me, for what I'm going to learn, and everything like that. And like I said, it's just an idea out in idea land. So as a team member, I can actually bring quite a bit to the table. I am not the most tech savvy, I will say that, but it doesn't take me too long to learn. I can look up online tutorials. Any programs might have a tutorial on it as well, but I'm pretty fast at learning, and I'm pretty flexible as well. So I'm down to take any type of role in a group that you need me to. If you want me to be the transcriber, if you want me to submit the assignments, want me to be the editor, what have you, I'm totally cool with that. As long as everyone's working together and we're on the same page, perfect for me. I'm also really on top of due dates and staying organized, especially with group assignments and group projects. I try to be as on top of due dates as possible. I will try and get my portion done days in advance, so that in case a group member of mine needs my help, I'm there to help them and I'm not stressing with my own stuff. And like I said, I like to make sure that things are done before the due date so that I'm not stressed about turning things in last minute and having subpar work. And I'm now going to get into my 2 truths and a lie. So the first one is that I was a competitive figure skater, and I started at 3 years old and I stopped before I graduated high school. My second one is that I went on my first airplane journey or airplane ride when I was 17 years old. And my last one is that at 5 in the morning, when I was staying with my aunt and uncle up in Maryland, I accidentally ripped out the towel rack in their wall, that not only took off the towel rack but also took out some drywall as well, and I had to embarrassingly wake them up at 5 in the morning on a work day to let them know I just ruined their bathroom. So I'll give you some time to figure out which one was the lie. All right, and right here is the lie. Did you get it? All right, thank you.